Hey guys, this is Slice's Concession again. We're back with part 2 of how to assemble your pump into your Carpigiani 193P. So if you look right here, the first thing you gotta make sure is this black mark isn't showing, because that means it's not pushed all the way in. If you turn it until it sits in like that, that means you're properly aligned with the pump, okay? The next step is you gotta align this into there. So sometimes it goes right in, sometimes it doesn't, but sometimes you just you're gonna gamble and see if it works. So the idea is you're gonna stick it in there, and sometimes you can just turn it. And if you do it right, this will actually sit all the way in and hook up to this nub right here. So if you so see how that fits in? So I gotta pull it out, put it under, turn. Okay, it's not going in, right? So all we gotta do now, we just readjust this a little bit. Give it a little turn, and we'll try it one more time. There we go, all the way in. Still not working, right? So we're gonna pull it out one more time. Probably turn it again. Let me try it one more time. There we go, kind of went all the way in. So, but you're above that nub. You see it right here in the corner right here, where my thumb is? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come out, push it down. You gotta hook it under. So, that doesn't work. Adjust it one more time. There we go. There we go. So all the way in, turn. It's like I'm pulling this way. It's not coming out because it's locked right here, okay? All right, next thing you gotta do, this is your feed hole, okay? You're actually gonna pour mix in first, and it's gonna bubble. Bubbling is good. If it bubbles, that means there's no air leak on the outside, which means mix isn't pouring into your machine or out the front. So after it stops bubbling, you're gonna take your feed tube, and you're gonna notice there's like a flat spot right here, because it has to fit in and it has to lock in. So what you do is you put this in and you turn it until it drops. It's kind of hard to see, but if you put it in like that, see how it's sitting out? If I turn it, it's gonna just slowly drop in like that. And then you turn it, hold on, there we go, come on. Put it in, you're gonna turn until it drops. There we go, just like that. So it'll be flush. So that means you got it right. Now you're gonna turn it, and that's what's gonna lock it in place, okay? But you're gonna notice there's a gap between here. So what you actually have to do is get this last piece. This is your connecting tube. And you're gonna notice it's not gonna fit in. It's just too long. So you're actually supposed to turn the angle, cut it, put this in, make sure your O-rings are good, otherwise it's gonna leak. You're gonna wiggle it into here, all the way down. So you see how it goes in? And then you turn it over, and then you pull it back out towards the front so let this seal in this hole like that. And once it's sealed, when your pump is running, what it does is it sucks it from this white suction tube here, comes up, goes across and into your cylinder when it's running, okay? And and that's pretty much it. All right, thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day.